Hi everyone, welcome to our latest project. It's located at Depot 18. It's super exciting to have partners on board like Lavon, who has housed themselves here in this lovely property. The phase 1 is what you see now, which is a vibrant sports facility, and the phase 2 is the Lavon Cafe, and we have some exciting things lined up as part of phase 3 and phase 4. There was this amazing wall that cut through the entire site. So what we did is we used the wall to divide the zoning. So all the patina, the plaster that has come off, the bricks laid in mud mortar behind it, all of those, instead of being hidden away, we have celebrated. We first checked the health of all the plasters, given a small coat of varnish on all the bricks. We also had a structural engineer, Professor Raghunath, on board to advise us on further strengthening and stitching of certain aspects of the wall as well. To see people appreciate it is a real a delight for us. We aligned as architects and clients is to protect the tree canopy here. You can see one of the trees where the roof has gone around it, and I'm sure it will give its benefits through the extra shading that it provides. And the series of windows that we have incorporated using a combination of metal for the frames and wood for the shutters. We've given fixed louvers on top with SS mesh to avoid any sort of insects, and that allows the hot air to escape the structure. Working along with Ritu from Yellow Dot was to have this nice juxtaposition of the ruins and a very finished interior. So what she brought through the Lavon language was the micro cement finishes, the ceramic tiles, the white countertops with the fluted glass shelves. So all that, both the old and the new are kind of brought together. The old structure that had some Kadapa tiles which we had to remove during the restoration process, and so instead of throwing away those Kadapa tiles, we have reused the entire batch. What is considered as junk, we have seen it as treasure. So, and it's really brought a character to the place. So you're essentially taking decades of materials that have already been used and giving it a new lease of life. So all this together I think creates a very poetic structure with a lot of character and story to it, which I think a lot of the patrons here and the customers here are kind of able to sense. So it's been a lovely experience so far, and very excited about phase 3 and 4.